Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can grow your hair using bananas. Hey, let's get it. Alright, for this video you're going to need some freshly peeled bananas, avocados, eggs, and olive oil or any oil of your choice. Olive oil is one of my favorites. And before we get started, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Now for this video, I used 4 bananas, 2 avocados, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. But if you have short hair, you only need half of that recipe. This is a recipe I use to share with 2 other people actually, and it's more than enough. This is what it should look like once it's all mixed together. Don't that look so good? Okay, here's where it gets messy. Starting from the back, parting up to the front. But going through all this hair though.
This shit gets harder the longer the hair gets. Never thought of that part.
But if thick, long hair is the problem you want to have, then let's go. Alright, this is what it's looking like after rinsing out the banana hair mask, which is pretty defined and healthy looking already. But because I put eggs in my hair, it was a protein, I'm coming in with the shea moisture to condition my hair. I left that on for 3 minutes and going in to rinse that out. Usually I would go in with a protective style, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to blow dry. So I'm using the Hibiscus Honey Blow Dry Cream by Eden Body Works, and it's pretty luxurious. It smells so good. Now for a little added moisture and protection, I'm going to add some cashmere and caviar hair serum for kinky textured hair by Curls Professional. I'm going to blow dry using my 1900 Styler Professional Tourmaline Ceramic Red by Kiss blow dryer. Once you get at least 60% dry, you can start combing from the ends, working your way up. I like to start from the back, work my way up. And when I'm done with all that, I like to flip it all over to give me a little bit of body. As you can see, there's still a little bit of banana rinds in the hair. Just simply blow dry and it'll come right out. Okay, now it's time to flat iron. I'm going to use my Remington ceramic flat irons with a little pink oil sheen. Starting in the back, I'm going to section my hair all the way to the front. Now I'm going to tame my edges with the Edge Fixer Max Hold, the real banana flavor, of course, by Kiss. Now I didn't really want to get a bone straight look, I just wanted to flat iron it so I could show you guys my growth. Now all I need is my ends trimmed and I'm ready to go. I decided to put my hair in a flip bang and a bun for the rest of the day. It's fun and flirty. I'm having fun over here playing with my hair. And this flip bang is giving me life. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.